The title says it all. Winning every day in day trading. But it's not about winning every trade. It's about executing your trading edge consistently. So let's explore this mindset shift and why it's crucial for long-term success in the markets. Before we get into the details, let's clarify what we mean by trading edge. Simply put, it's your unique advantage, your strategy, your culmination of your knowledge, analysis, and experience. It's what sets you apart in the markets. Success in day trading isn't solely determined by the outcome of individual trades. It's about disciplined execution of your trading edge. Even in the face of losses, sticking to your strategy is what makes you a winner in the grand scheme. Let me share some real-world examples to illustrate this point. Okay, so on this chart you can see that this was Thursday this week, and well, I wasn't really having a good day. I think I posted it out. I was also live stream. I posted it out. This was the biggest losing day for me since like almost 3 weeks, and I had 3 stop losses in a row, and all of them occurred well in like a matter of 3 hours. So it was really crazy, and the only thing that kept me go on is that I knew that my edge sooner or later is going to prevail. So you will face things like this. You are going to have 3, 4, 5, 6 stop losses in a row, but I always aim for at least a 1 to 2 risk to reward. So I'm perfectly aware that I'm going to have more losses than usual. So you have to be clear with those numbers. I'm aware that my average win ratio is not going to be 80% or 90%, but I'm perfectly fine with 55, 58% win ratio. Even if I just win 40% of my trades, I'm perfectly okay because I'm not losing capital. One key component of executing a trading edge is effective risk management. It's about protecting your capital and ensuring that you can continue to trade and learn even when faced with challenges. Now let's address some common challenges. It's natural to feel emotions like fear or frustration after a loss. The key is acknowledging these emotions and, more importantly, overcoming them by staying true to your strategy. Let's take a look at the charts again to visualize how sticking to your trading edge even through ups and downs contributes to overall success. This is going to be exciting. Now here I just want to show you that after that red Thursday, the next day on Friday, it was a great day. It was really great. What I did, and this is personal preference in everyone's trading career, how you are downsizing or upsizing your risk, but because I had a very bad day on Thursday, I decided that because one of this because it's Friday, and the secondary is because it was a huge loss for me. I downsized my positions, so that's why I couldn't really outperform my losses that much on Friday, but I was still going with my edge. I was perfectly comfortable executing. And as you can see, this was on live stream, and I made a separate video about this, a recap by the end of the day. And I had a winning trade just before the London kill zone. I had another short opportunity here. The edge played out beautifully, so that's 2 winners in a row. These 2 trades are regaining those losses from the previous day. And then we had also one more entry which I didn't take, but the edge is played out. I was following this trade on the stream, but I didn't take it anyway. This was the 3rd trade, so my edge proved me again that it actually can or could have not just regain all the losses, but if I would have taken all these trades with the same size, and by the way, that was a small mistake by me. If I would have just used the same risk size as I did in Thursday, I could have been able to even make a few $100s more in profit than I lost. So it is so simple, guys. If you know you have a system that works on your side, you just have to keep executing. Before we continue, I want to hear from you. Share your experience in how you did overall. Please comment below. How do you maintain discipline and stick to your trading edge? I'm really curious about that. Let's create a conversation about this powerful concept. Remember, trading is a journey of continuous learning and improvement. Setbacks are part of the process, but each one is an opportunity to grow. Embrace the challenges, stay disciplined, and you'll find success of your execution after you acquire this skill. Every trading day is going to be a winner because you will know you did everything according to plan and your edge is going to be victorious. That's winning. That's really how every day is a winner. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and turn on the notifications. And also check my entry model at pip.ninja if you're interested. Reflect on your own trading journey and let's continue this conversation in the comments and join me on the streams. Until the next time, happy trading.